Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we explore final touches, seasoning, and small tricks to elevate your plain fried rice to restaurant quality. Flavoring and finishing touches. When to add soy sauce. The worst mistake you can make is drowning the rice in soy sauce too early. Adding liquid too soon or too much at once will kill the high temperature you worked so hard to achieve, leading to dull, moist rice. The ideal time to add flavor is near the very end. Once the rice is separated, hot, and slightly crispy, after about 4 minutes of frying, then add your seasonings. Sprinkle a pinch of salt over the rice. Next, pour your pre-measured soy sauce in a ring around the edges of the pan, letting the liquid hit the hot metal. This quick flash reduces the soy sauce slightly, concentrating its savory flavor before it mixes with the rice. Stir vigorously for 30 seconds until the color is uniform. Remove the rice from the heat and serve immediately. Remember, the longer it sits in the pan, the more the residual heat will continue to cook it and soften the texture. Troubleshooting and simple twists for top-notch flavor. Even though plain fried rice is simple, a few critical errors can derail the entire meal. Knowing what to avoid and what minimal additions to incorporate ensures maximum success and flavor from your simple ingredients. Avoid these beginner mistakes for better results. 2 frequent mistakes plague home cooks when making fried rice. Using fresh, warm rice. If the rice isn't cold and dry, you are making steamed rice, not fried rice. Plan ahead and cook your rice the day before. Overcrowding the pan. If you are cooking more than 3 cups of rice, you must cook it in batches. Overfilling the pan instantly drops the temperature, meaning the oil doesn't stay hot enough to fry the grains. The rice just starts stewing in its own moisture. Also, be generous with the oil, especially when frying the egg. A sticky pan results from insufficient heat or not enough oil to coat the rice grains. Elevate the plate. Simple swaps for a little extra taste. The goal here is still plain fried rice, meaning no heavy vegetables or proteins. However, you can add depth and aroma without making the dish complicated. Aromatic boosts. Cook a half teaspoon of minced fresh garlic or grated ginger in the oil for about 30 seconds before adding the rice. This infuses the oil with a savory scent that subtly flavors the entire dish. Finishing touches. Right before serving, stir in a teaspoon of sesame oil for its signature nutty flavor, or sprinkle the plates with finely chopped green onions or chives. These minimal additions maintain the focus on the rice's texture while providing a balanced aroma. Mastering plain fried rice is truly about mastering a technique, not a recipe full of complex ingredients. By simply focusing on using cold rice, cooking on high heat, and adding flavor at the last moment, you create a foundation that is smoky, salty, and texturally perfect. This simple dish proves that high-quality, delicious food doesn't require a dozen exotic ingredients. Try this method tonight. You'll find that this basic recipe is often the most satisfying way to appreciate the humble grain. Once you nail this, your culinary possibilities for future fried rice versions are endless. Apply these finishing steps to get flavorful, texturally perfect fried rice every time. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.